Hey, if you're planning a trip to Dallas and wondering where you can eat, drink, and dance the night away, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the best nightlife areas in Dallas that are perfect for tourists like you. First up, Deep Ellum. This is the go-to spot if you're into live music and eclectic vibes. Every corner of Deep Ellum has something happening. Whether it's a jazz band playing in a dive bar or a DJ spinning the latest hits at a rooftop party, this place buzzes with energy. Don't miss out on some of the local breweries here. They often have great events and, of course, fantastic beer. Next, let's talk about Uptown. It's a bit more upscale and chic. If you're looking for fancy cocktails and a see-and-be-seen atmosphere, Uptown is where it's at. The bars and lounges here are top-notch, and you might just bump into a celebrity or two. Also, if you love dancing, the nightclubs here are absolutely vibrant. Get your best outfit ready. Moving on, Lower Greenville is a favorite among the locals, and for good reason. It's more laid back, with a mix of classic pubs, trendy bars, and everything in between. If you enjoy a more relaxed evening where you can chat with friends over a drink, then Lower Greenville should definitely be on your list. Plus, the food scene here, superb. You'll find some of the best eats in town. Lastly, don't overlook the Bishop Arts District. It's a bit quieter compared to the other spots, but no less fun. The area is artsy and has a very cool indie vibe. There are great restaurants, intimate bars, and live music venues that are perfect for a more low-key night out. It's the perfect place to unwind after a bustling day of sightseeing. So there you have it, folks. Deep Ellum, Uptown, Lower Greenville, and Bishop Arts District. Each offers a unique flavor of nightlife that can make your visit to Dallas truly unforgettable. Whether you're here to party hard or just enjoy a pleasant night out, Dallas has something for everyone. Can't wait to see you here, having the time of your life. Remember, explore responsibly and make every moment count. Catch you in the next adventure.